Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use LMC files. First, understand that an LMC file holds instructions for the little man computer, a simple model of a computer. You can easily open these files using any basic text editor, like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, to view their contents. Alternatively, dedicated LMC simulators provide an integrated environment for both viewing and running the code. Once opened, you'll see lines of code. Each line in an LMC file corresponds to either an instruction for the little man computer or a piece of data. Instructions are represented by three-letter mnemonics, such as add for addition or SUB for subtraction, followed by a memory address. Data values are simply numbers stored in specific memory locations, ready for the little man to process. To run an LMC program, you'll need a little man computer simulator. Load your LMC file directly into the simulator, which then interprets and executes each instruction in order. The simulator will process the commands, manipulate data, and display any output in its console window. This allows you to see your program in action and verify its functionality. For more advanced use, delve into complex LMC concepts such as subroutines, which are reusable blocks of code, and implementing loops for repetitive tasks. Many online LMC simulators offer interactive environments to practice and experiment with these advanced features. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your tech setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.